On behalf of the Brookfield Real Estate and Infrastructure and Schulich School of Business and the Alumni Association, we welcome you to our Showcase Alumni event.
This contribution will go far in supporting the learning and extracurricular activities in the real estate and infrastructure programs.
Last week, we had our grand opening for our brand new building, the Robin Cheryl McEwen Graduate Study and Research Building at Schulich. A big momentous occasion because now this Brookfield Centre that Tim and Frances Price have been so generous to support, along with the Brookfield partners and the foundation, we have a physical location. We are a center, all the faculty are in one place, we have an urban lab, and we are excited and looking forward to building on what has already been established here.
Blake says things like, you're only on this planet for a short time, you might as well make the most of it. Blake is a great, loyal friend. I don't know anybody who does more to be there for other people. And I think that notwithstanding everything he does in business, I don't know anybody who does more for other people than Blake does.
I have a few thoughts. I mean, first of all, to the Schulich School, amazing job for an entire industry. You've peppered the industry with fantastic people. You've done it for real estate, you've done it for infrastructure. Keep up the good work. I've watched Jim McKellar go for 28 years, and nobody else in the country has done what you have for an industry, so keep up the good work. Listen, when I reflect on my story, three words come to mind, and the first is opportunity, the second is family and friends, and the third is about chasing a dream. If you have the character and the integrity and all the things tied up in reputation, that is, to me at least, by far the best way to distinguish yourself on a go-forward basis in the brokerage business and otherwise. Your handshake means something in this country. Your reputation means something in this country. When you're at a crossroads and you can go left or right, in this country you should go left for reputation every time. And I'll add, as my dad's word, with finishative, leadership is not a title. We've all seen too many people with a big title who actually show no leadership or think that leadership's about dividing, not uniting. And we've also seen many grassroots organizations and people do unbelievable things with no title at all, including the great work that these young people have done in pulling this event together. And so dream big, go out and chase them. An economist in Europe, when Sue and I were there a year ago, said, you know, these aren't the best of times, these aren't the worst of times, but they are our times. We have one walk on the planet, as Michael said. Go make it spectacular. And I really appreciate you sharing your night with me. God bless.
We're really happy to be a sponsor of the Perspectives Lectures. As a company, Altus Group is now the biggest provider, largest provider of software applications to the commercial real estate industry.
The SRPAA represents more than 400 graduates from the MBA specialization in real estate and infrastructure, as well as the new Master in Real Estate and Infrastructure program.